designing it around the teeth, I prefer to do the positioning keys. You remember I showed you before that this also will be designed maybe with artificial intelligence in the future. This is the gap between the positioning key and the tooth, and this is the thickness of the positioning key. Now, depending on how you're going to put it, what material you're going to use, you have to use the appropriate thickness. If you're going to print with resin, which is very soft, crown resin, you can do it even 1 millimeter or even more. It's very easy to cut. The mistake that I did with the zirconia is that I took the case, but I didn't change the thickness. I left it to 1 millimeter. So I got a positioning key of 1 millimeter, and it took me to cut upper, and took me 15 minutes to bond upper and lower dental arches, and it took me 45 minutes to cut the zirconia because it's very hard. So I choose to do, even 25, even if I have the chance, we could change it to 0.2 so that this will be very thin and it will be removed very easily. Now, it's very easy to design the positioning keys, and as I told you, these will be included in a future version with artificial intelligence. You just go to where you started, tell the software that I want to print this, you go to the next one. The next one. It's good to include a small part of the bracket, because if you include all the bracket, you're going to lose the mesh from behind the base, where you will be placing the composite for bonding. So okay. Going to do all of it just to see how fast it goes. It doesn't mean that because I know the software I'm fast. I am fast, yes, but it takes 2-3 cases to be very fast. It's better to do small lines in order not to get this red warning that you are out of the, you fall into a space. So a proper intraoral scanning is the best thing to do, and if you want to have good models and good brackets. Usually I include half of the occlusal surface of the premolars and the molars, because from my small experience, I saw that, you see here, I didn't scan so well. I didn't care because it was in lingual braces, but here I have to go. Okay, that's all. I finished. Now I have to export. Choose export file. Name is here. Select and model creation. It takes a little bit time to do it because the software tries to export the brackets connected to the positioning keys. It exports the wires, and okay, here we don't have a direct bonding tray, but When we design it, it will take a little bit time more. It's good to have a good computer with a good graphic card and the memory. My computer actually is a laptop and it's a gaming one. It's very helpful because I'm doing things faster than my other computers. After we export the brackets, we can easily place them in the if we are going to print with the Zirconia printer on the ZIPRO software interface on the base. There is a specific workflow there, which, to be honest, it's meant for the crowns and bridges. But now for brackets, I gave my suggestions to the company so that they will make it more easy for brackets, and it will be much faster to place the brackets onto the base, onto the platform, the Zirconia printer. It's almost done. It takes 3-4 minutes, not more. And then I'm going to open them. Now it's finished. Hopefully everything is okay. The file is here. Brackets. I will open it in the mesh mixer. This is the brackets, and this is brackets all together. Let's see what we get. Very nice. Okay. Here is a platform. I just told them some months ago to make it. That doesn't play a role now. I don't care. I don't like it. So we're going to remove it from the software. Will be going to remove them from the software. We just only care about the brackets. You see, they are aligned in a specific direction, as you can see. There are some ways to print the brackets. I believe that if we want less support, we could put them in a position. Let me do it a little bit now with Mesh Mixer. You cannot do it.
Chris, we can't see your Mesh Mixer screen.
Sorry for that. Sorry for that.
No, all good. No problem.
Now it's okay. You can see it.
Beautiful.
Okay, sorry for that. I was overtaken by the speech. Okay, so here we have the brackets all together. Okay, I choose to use the mesh mixer. We don't use the mesh mixer, just to show you how it would be nice to print the brackets. The brackets can be it's better to print them in this direction from my experience.